Day 8 of isolation. You guys might be thinking I'm losing my mind. Maybe I am a little bit. Reason for this beautiful colored shirt with these crazy colors is because I am doing aposematic coloration today. Aposematic coloration is what, you may ask? Well, let me explain. So aposematism, or aposematic coloration, is a means in which animals advertise that they are either toxic or dangerous in some way. Quite like a porcupine with this black and white coloration, that striking black and white coloration advertises to would-be predators that it's got this very dangerous spines. Another animal that you may be familiar with that uses aposematism is a skunk with that bold black and white coloration with the white stripes running down its body. Now, this little guy that we're looking at here is known as an elegant grasshopper, also known as a rainbow locust. Now, he's got these beautiful colors on him. You see all those striking different colors to advertise that he is toxic to eat. So he lets all birds and that know that if they eat him, they're going to get very sick. Another nice example of aposematic coloration on the tips of this African monarch butterfly's wings. Can you see that bold white on the black and the beautiful rusty red coloration? Your African monarch. Now, your African monarch isn't born with this defense mechanism of being toxic. It actually acquires this being from ingesting this plant. Now, it doesn't do this as an adult. You'll see this is your milkweed. Now, milkweed, you can see that milky latex that comes out there. Right, so that's where this gets its name from. It's also got quite a coffee aroma to it if you feel the leaves like this. Now, we're going to go full life cycle with your African monarch. Now, we're going to find a little monarch caterpillar, also known as a milkweed caterpillar. I don't know if you can see him there. Try get him into focus. Right, so you'll be able to see already as a caterpillar your monarch butterfly, also known as a milkweed caterpillar, because you find them on these milkweeds. They've already got these beautiful colorations. So I'm just struggling to keep them in focus. You'll see those beautiful white and black bands, and then those bright yellow dots on your milkweed caterpillar or your African monarch butterfly caterpillar. Right guys, so we've been fortunate enough to see elegant grasshoppers, adult monarch butterflies, and then also their little caterpillars. But besides the insects that I've shown you, there's many different species of animals that will have this aposematic coloration. So with your mammals, your honey badger, that's another one that has aposematic coloration, as we mentioned, skunks and porcupines. With your birds, male ostriches in their breeding plumage, they'll get a red beak, and then also their shins will go red in coloration. This shows that they're very dangerous for would-be egg thieves, especially, that would like to steal their eggs. So it's normally during the breeding season that the male ostriches take on this coloration. And then your reptiles, like your snakes, especially your spitting snakes, like over here we get your Mozambique spitting cobra, and then further south from here we'll get a type of snake known as a rinkels. And these guys, when they rear up, they've got very distinct black bands. The rinkels is black on white, and then your Mozambique spitting cobra is a black on a salmon coloration on its chest. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the aposematic coloration. Stay tuned for the next one that I have. I'm not too sure what it'll be yet. But once again, guys, stay safe and wash your hands.